welcome back to DIY Yolande. I know I've been gone away for a couple of weeks now, but we're back and I'm working on exciting projects for you guys. So as you read from the title, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to drill into your wall. Now obviously this is ideal for people who are homeowners, but in the event that you're not a homeowner and you're renting and you have an awesome relationship with your landlord, or if you don't, drop them an email and first have a conversation with them with regards to decorative updates you would like to have in your space. Most landlords, because of the fact that they do want their spaces to be slightly elevated on a budget, most of them are likely to actually agree. So what I'm going to be showing you here is just a very basic on how to drill into concrete, how to drill into your wall and hang up a watch or a picture frame. So in this DIY, I'll be hanging up a watch which I've relocated in my home. You guys will soon see why. And I'm going to be moving it over to this wall, and I decided, let me actually use this opportunity to show you guys how to drill into your wall. Into this easy DIY. So as you've seen here, I have just taped a plastic bag onto the wall. This is going to catch all the excess debris that is going to be coming out of the wall while I am drilling, to ensure that my lovely couch here does not get any concrete on it. Here's a few disclaimers. I do not recommend you drilling close to a plug, next to a plug, above, below a plug. Yeah, please don't do that. If you are not comfortable with drilling, but you'd like to start branching out into DIYing and drilling, definitely check out the video that is linked up here in the card and also linked down in the description box, where I take you through to a beginner's guide to how to use a drill, and I'll also take you through on how to drill into wood. Okay? So you need to follow those two videos and practice through those two videos, then branch off to drilling into your concrete wall. We are going to get ready and get drilling. Can you tell I'm excited? Because I am. It is important for me to also note, guys, because I am based in South Africa, most of our houses are made with brick. So this is a brick wall. It is not a plywood wall. Here's a list of all the items that you will need for this DIY, and here's a breakdown of all the items. We're using a cordless drill, a masonry drill bit, an anchor, screw, a hammer, and a masking tape. So when using an anchor and a screw, it is important that you get yourself an anchor that is just going to fit perfectly to your screw. As you see here, that the head of the screw slightly protrudes out of the anchor. This part of your screw head is what the watch is going to hang on. And you also want to ensure that your screw isn't too thick and that your screw can easily insert into your anchor, so that when you're screwing on, it doesn't open the anchor wider than it should. Then the next most important step is using the correct drill bit. We are using a masonry drill bit. You would like to know the different types of drill bits to use and what their uses are. Click the video linked down in the description box below. Now it's time to insert our drill bit into our drill. Now we need to ascertain how far we want the drill bit to go into your wall. So you're going to place your anchor like this, and then you're going to put on masking tape, and that is going to help guide you how far your drill bit must go into your wall. So I have marked off with a pencil where I want my watch to hang up from, and it is from here, and that is where I'll be drilling my hole. Where I've marked off with my pencil, I'm going to take my screw and a hammer and just gently knock on there. This is going to help direct my drill bit. I am placing my drill into drill mode. The reason why I'm doing this is because we are trying to get through a hard surface. Once I've drilled in, I will then move it down to hammer mode. But I'll keep you guys posted on that. So first I'm placing my drill into drill mode. It is important that we are slow so that we drill in the correct position. So now we are going to drill. Remember, we're going to do this slow. We're not rushing, we're not going anywhere. So we have drilled halfway in. So I am now changing my drill from drill mode to hammer mode. Okay, now the big test. Did we measure the correct drill bit and the correct anchor? So we are going to put it into our wood, and it's supposed to lay flat onto your wall. So now we are going to screw in our screw into the wall. Screw head is slightly protruding out, and this is where we are going to hang up our watch. Create something that you can use around your home, that you can look at and be like, I created you know. And don't forget, most importantly, that power tools have no gender. So from me to you, see you next time. Peace. Here are some bloopers. Let's put on our safety goggles and let's get into this easy DIY. So I have marked off with a pencil where I want my